Hey guys, welcome back. It's safe to say the era of foldable phones is now upon us, and people all around the world are interested in these devices even though they are incredibly expensive smartphones. Just to give you some perspective, Samsung Fold has sold at least millions of these units, and the Moto Razr 2019, the clamshell folding phone, is unable to cope up with the demand of the phones. All these things point out that there is in fact a market for foldable phones, and Oneplus is now hopping on board with this idea. Oneplus will unveil a new concept smartphone at this year's CES, and so far it has only sparkled rumors of what this OnePlus smartphone could be. OnePlus has been officially saying that the device called the Concept One will show an alternate future of the smartphone. There's no official information about the device, but OnePlus could also take a different approach and show off a prototype device that would be similar to the Moto Razr and the upcoming Galaxy Fold 2. While we are on the topic of folding phones, let me share something about Galaxy Fold 2. Samsung will reportedly employ an ultra-thin layer of glass on its upcoming foldable phone instead of a plastic layer that was used on the Galaxy Fold. This will make the foldable display look flatter and also reduce the wrinkles. It said there is a prominent crease running horizontally in the center of the phone. The Fold 2 is much less prone to scratches than the current crop of folding phones. However, as I said earlier, the display will still have creases. But how noticeable will that be is something that can be said once actual images or videos are shared. Anyhow, we will be seeing folding devices from OnePlus very soon, and I am pumped up about it. Also, OnePlus CEO gave official confirmation that OnePlus 8 series will launch next year. So that's it for today. For more such interesting content, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.